Do you know the secret to potty training your toddler in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how I've helped dozens of parents achieve the seemingly impossible in potty training. Welcome to my channel. I'm Rayan Lukman, a fully registered early childhood teacher and education leader here in Australia with over 10 years of experience. And today, I'm going to give you my top 3 must-know potty training tips every parent needs. Whether you're just starting or you've been in the trenches, these tips are going to change the game. So let's dive in. Tip 1. Timing is everything. Let's start with the most important thing. Timing. Not all toddlers are ready to potty train at the same age. A lot of parents think, oh, they are 2 years old now, they should be trained. No, pushing potty training too early can actually backfire, creating more accidents and stress. So, how do you know when they are ready? It's all about recognizing the signs of readiness. Pulling their diaper when it's wet or dirty. Showing interest in others using the toilet. Staying dry for longer periods during the day. Verbal cues like, I need to go, or I'm wet. Here's a fun fact. Research shows that kids who show readiness signs tend to complete potty training faster than those pushed too early. And here's the golden tip. Once you see the signs, start slow. Introduce them to potty without any pressure. Let them sit on it fully clothed just to get comfortable. You're laying the foundation for success. Bonus hack, make potty time fun. Sing songs, read their favorite book, or play a quick game. It's all about making the experience positive. Tip 2. Consistency is the key. With a twist of flexibility, of course. We all know toddlers thrive on routine. But here's the twist. You need to be consistent, but also flexible. Here's what consistency looks like. Regular potty breaks, after meals, nap, and playtime. Consistent language, like, do you need to go to potty? But here's the thing. Don't panic if things don't go according to plan. If the toddler is having a bad day, forcing it will backfire. Sticking to your routine but staying flexible. One hack that works wonders is setting a timer for regular potty breaks. Every 30 minutes to an hour, ask them to try. This builds a rhythm without feeling the pressure. Pro tip, celebrate the effort, not just the results. If they try but don't go, that's still a win. And if accidents happen, stay calm. No scolding, no punishment. Just say, oops, let's try again next time. Trust me, it keeps things positive and encourages them to keep trying. Tip 3. Positive reinforcement works wonders. The final tip, and this is my absolute favorite, is all about positive reinforcement. We are not just celebrating the big wins here, like when they finally go in the potty. We are celebrating the small steps, sitting on the potty without a fuss, pulling down their pants themselves, even just telling you they need to go. Reward the behavior you want to see. And here's how. Sticker charts. Every successful potty visit earns a sticker. Collect 5 stickers, they get a special treat. Verbal praise. A simple, great job goes a long way. Fun rewards. Create a potty treasure box with small toys or treats. Now, some of you might be thinking, isn't this bribery? Well, here's the truth. No, it's about reinforcing new habits. And remember, once the habit is established, you can slowly phase out the rewards. Eventually, they'll be using the potty on their own without needing a sticker or treat. Wrapping up, so let's recap. The 3 must-know potty training tips are: number 1, timing is everything. Watch for those signs of readiness. 2, consistency with flexibility. Stick to a routine, but stay calm if things don't go perfectly. 3, positive reinforcement. Celebrate every little win, and your toddler will be potty trained in no time. Potty training isn't a race, and every child is different. These tips will help you feel confident and make the process smoother for both you and the toddler. Bonus tip: patience is your best friend. And hey, it's okay if things don't happen overnight. You got this. Before you go, make sure to check out my next video where I reveal the biggest mistakes parents make during potty training and how to avoid them. You don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching. I'm Rayan Lukman, helping you handle parenting like a pro. One diaper at a time. See you in the next video.